In this Snapseed tutorial video, I am going to show you how to create a white background portrait in Snapseed. By watching this video, you will be able to create white background of any photo. The tricks are very effective. So watch this video till the end and create your own white background photo. Welcome back to the tutorial lab. I have posted many other Snapseed editing videos in this channel. The links are in the description below. After this video, you can go and explore them. Subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any future updates. Open your desired photo in Snapseed. Tap on the Tools section. Select Double Exposure. In the background of this photo, I will use a white background which I have downloaded earlier. Tap on the plus icon and select the white wallpaper. Select Style. Tap the check mark. The whole image is now become white. Tap on the edit stack from the top right corner. Then tap on view edits. Tap double exposure and select the brush icon from the middle. Now zoom in the image and carefully brush over. Zoom as much as possible to get better result. Carefully brush over the edges. Now invert the image and see what you have missed. Change the brush opacity and again start brushing. When you are done, tap on the check mark, save the masking. Tap on the back arrow. Now tap on the tool section again and select Tune Image to more fine tuning the image. After finishing fine tuning, tap on the check mark. To see before edit and after edit image, tap and hold anywhere to see the before image and release your fingers to see the after image. Tap on export and save the image. That was our today's video. By this way, you can create white background of any photo. I hope this video was very helpful to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more future updates. Get connected with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.